front of me is OnePlus Nord CE5, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Contact and click on the one you wish to add. You can do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To change order of them on the list, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Hold one, drag it to the proper place and let go. After adjusting your list, hit Save at the top right corner. To remove one of your contacts though, use this X next to the one you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!